Well, as you can see, we're no longer in freezing cold England, and I wanted to show you something that might be quite useful to you if you tend to travel about quite a lot and it's not always convenient to charge your batteries. Something that landed just before I left out for the Colombian coast, and that was the PATONA dual charger. And I thought we'd take a look and see why it's particularly useful, especially when you're traveling about. Maybe you need to charge up your camera quickly on the go, but you want to get 2 batteries done, and maybe you're on public transport, not particularly convenient or pretty. It's yet another Fujifilm battery charger video, but you know, I think I've only done one. You know we're geeks, right? So every now and then I have a little refresh of the brain and check out what's new, what's loved, because you know, new stuff comes out. £30.99 from Amazon. I'll leave a link below. And you know what? Decent bit of kit. There's a website that shows the capacities, the real life scientific blah blah blah, and this one just come out good. And for 2 batteries, you know what? I thought, give it a whirl. So here I am, giving it a whirl. For now, it's time for me to get rid of this t-shirt, get in the sea and turn off the camera. Not in that order, because clearly I'm not letting you see that kind of stuff. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen my foot, which wasn't amazing. It shows the difference between winter in England and yeah, the foot wasn't a good idea. If you've never used something like this before, dead simple, anyone can do it, so don't worry. You get the USB cable with it, plug that in, straight into your battery pack or your wall socket, you know, the same as you do with your smartphone, whatever. Make sure the power's on and it will start. And you've got 2 different LEDs to show you how you're getting on with the 2. Now, of course, you'll notice there's nothing else to indicate the amount of charge in there, but you know, it's a simple thing, so I don't think you'll be that worried. The fact is, for something almost as small as your mobile phone in its case, you're away. I would add that the build quality, although it's completely plastic, it doesn't feel particularly like it's going to break, but you're not going to be throwing this around. It's not a rugged item. It is what it is. Just give it a little bit of care and it will be fine. There are a lot smaller battery packs on the market now. This is the first one I ever bought and I'm on the 3rd now. I just brought it along as an extra while I'm traveling. So yeah, there it is. If you travel to a place like this, bring an ND filter. I completely forgot. This is completely different to the videos I shot just before traveling. Maybe not as good. The reason I thought I'd check this one out is there's some chips. Ah! ¿Qué haces?
Veo tu trípode, está muy chévere, me gusta.
¿Sí? ¿Y qué estamos tomando?
Jugo de corozo.
Bueno, saluda a la gente.
Hola, ¿cómo están?
Que tú eres famosa modelo aquí en Cartagena, ¿cierto?
Yo soy una super modelo de Cartagena, no mentira.
Sí, claro, pero no me dejas sacar fotos. Bueno, ya, chao.
Chao.